Chidambaram Kanakasabha. Spiritual rites. The Tillai Chidambaram Nataraj temple is not just a passage. It is an important symbol of the culture and rights struggle of Tamils. This video will take a detailed look at the right to worship on the Kanakasabha stage of this world-famous temple and the historic struggles that took place there to sing the Thevaram in Tamil. Spirituality transcends differences. Has equality been established in the Chidambaram temple? What does the law say? In the heart of Tamil Nadu, S. Nataraj, Tillai Chidambaram is not just a temple, it is a sacred site that combines spirituality, culture, and social consciousness. However, the same place has also become a site where debates and struggles have been going on for decades about equality and rights. The Nataraj temple is a place that reflects the Akaya philosophy among the Panchabhuta places. However, for years, only a few were allowed to enter the main platform of the temple, the Chitrampala platform or the Kanakasabai. Against this, many social activists, devotees, and revolutionary organizations have demanded equal rights for all. The court rulings and government decrees from 2008 to 2009, all of these have made this a major step towards social equality. Sivanadiyar Arumugasamy and others fought and achieved success for the right to sing Thevaram in Tamil, the right to worship on the Chitrampala platform. As a result of their efforts, today that right has been legally recognized. But due to practical obstacles, traditional clan lines, and religious dominance, the practices of equality have not yet fully established. This is not just a religious debate. This is a fundamental question of human rights, self-respect, and equality. Even today, some people oppose the public going up to the Kanakasabai platform and worshipping. But the government's charitable sector and human rights organizations are of the view that everyone has the right to visit. This struggle is not just about the temple walls. It is a reminder of the basic ideology of the Indian Constitution, equality and secularism. Equality is not just a legal term, it is a human value. There should be no difference in the way of approaching God. Let the truth resound in Tamil songs and in the voices of devotees. Tillai Chidambaram is not just a place where Nataraj dances. It is a sacred place where equality, reason and humanity dance together. The legal battle over the right to worship in the Kanakasabha of the Chidambaram Nataraj temple has dragged on for decades, and finally took a major turn through major court rulings. 1. Historical background. The Chidambaram Nataraj temple was maintained for centuries by a small community called the Tillai Dikshitas Seva Brahmins. They were the ones who conducted all the temple worship, pujas, and ceremonies. But in the mid-20th century, the public and the government demanded that they participate in the temple administration. Beginning of the legal battle. In 1951, the Government of India brought many temples under the control of the government through the Hindu Religious Endowments Act (HR மற்றும் CE Act). The Chidambaram Nataraj temple was also included in it. The Tillai Dikshitas filed a case against this. They said, "This is our ancestral temple, a private religious place of worship of our community. The government cannot interfere." 3. Court decisions. 1954 Madras High Court. Judgment in favor of the Dikshitas. 1959 Supreme Court of India upheld this judgment. It said that Chidambaram temple is a separate temple belonging to a religious community, and the government cannot take over its administration. Therefore, the legal position was confirmed that the government cannot interfere. 4. Right to worship. After these judgments, the Tillai Dikshitas continued to be the main authorities conducting the worship. But the public, especially Tamil songs, equal worship, and equal access for all, raised their voices. Direct standing worship in the Kanakasabha is still under the control of the Dikshitas. Politically and socially, movements for equal right to worship continue, but legally it is not yet fully open. Conclusion. Legally, the Dikshitas have won the right to administer the worship. Socially, the struggle for equal right to worship still continues. நீங்கள் பார்த்துக் கொண்டு இருப்பது மக்கள் ஏடு மக்களுக்கான ஏடு.